A PBN is the token cryptocurrency for the Pluton network. The platform is an online content publishing network using a decentralized approach. The PBN blockchain will host the blog posts as well as the comments that are posted by the end users. At the same time, users can rate the content with upvoting and downvoting posts. Upvote generate the rewards for the author as well as the upvoter. The author of the blog post will earn the PBN tokens on upvoting. On the other hand, the upvoter will earn a specific portion of the overall income. Every action on the Pluton, like posting a blog post, upvoting or downvoting, commenting and others, is performed on the platform.
Feel uninvited.
Here you can see the entire platform of the Pluton token. Now I will also tell you that how you can purchase the Pluton token, because you have the chance to buy this token directly from the main website of the plutonnetwork.io. Secondly, I will also tell you that how the PBN token is entirely different from the other ERC tokens. Basically, the PBN token makes the use of a consensus algorithm as well as an advanced monetary system for making the platform work. The Pluton boasts the best ever guest or user experience of all the cryptocurrencies till the date, with a real use case for the content publishers out there. In addition to the content publishing platform, Pluton aims at building a marketplace for the decentralized magazines and ebooks with extensive plugins. At the same time, there is also the provision of developer tools for the overall ease of integration to any type of online blogging platform. It means that it's a win-win situation for everyone. For example, if you are going to make some blogs on the Pluton platform, or secondly, if you are going to upvote or comment anything, then definitely you will earn some good rewards in the PBN token. Basically, PBN is a decentralized blogging as well as the social networking platform on the new Pluton blockchain. The platform rewards the content creators, users and publishers with the revolutionary PBN token for the activities on the platform. The PBN blockchain will host the blog posts and user interactions such as likes and comments by the end users. On the main website, you will get the link of the white paper, and if you are going to invest anything, you must have to read the white paper, because in the white paper they elaborate all the things about the Pluton network. For example, if you are a blogger or a YouTuber, simply if you will post your videos or any type of blogs on the Pluton, the main platform, then definitely you will earn something, and anyone who is going to watch your videos, anyone who is going to read your blogs, and if for example he or she will give you a upvote, then definitely you will both earn something with the help of PBN platform and also the PBN tokens. The team behind the PBN token consists of some bloggers, writers and some YouTubers, and also some crypto users and corporate experience in their respective fields. A vote taken by the team decided that they would stay anonymous but will provide whatever verification is needed for any exchange listings or the partnerships. Additionally, they will have one of the developers complete a verification like KYD, know your developer. So it means the team is anonymous, but they are going to work on the PBN token, and it will be a huge thing for everyone who is basically a social media lover, because it's a decentralized social media. And here you can see the entire supply of the PBN token, and also if you have any type of questions, you can directly message them. And here you can see, if you want to buy this token, you have only and only 9 hours 17 minutes. After that, the whole public sale will be live, and then you have the chance to buy this token directly from the main website. And the best part about the buying of PBN token, that no need of any type of KYC. Simply you can come on the main platform and then you can buy this token with the help of Ethereum. At this time here you can see the Twitter main page, and they are basically announcing the public sale, and as I tell you, the public sale will be live in maximum 9 hours. So you have some time, so be ready and make ready your Ethereum also to buy the PBN token directly from the main website. And here you can see that how the PBN will work. The PBN is fully scalable and open source, fast token transfer, deposit or withdraw at any time, influence your social circles, and user privacy first. Stay anonymous or not, you decide. Easy sign up and Web3 wallet integration, so you can spend and receive the PBN on the go. So it's your time to grab the opportunity and you can buy this token right now. I will share the link in the description.